Well, howdy folks. Here we got a little Royal OT that I just got in the mail today, and I was kind of digging into it, make sure it's actually going to be worth working on. And I noticed the segment was all kinds of nasty, and so I decided to dig into it a little bit, throw some chemicals in there, and this is one of the best just instant transformations I've ever seen. Well, not ever, but one of the best ones I've seen in a while, as far as going from nasty to nice. Because the segment was pretty darn gross, and I don't know if you can easily see which half I've already hit the joints on, but here in person, it's pretty radical difference. Look at the goo and grime on that one side. Man. The other side is just nice and bright and shiny, almost like it's new. It certainly behaves like new, as opposed to the other side, which I've already worked quite a bit, just trying to get it to break loose at all. I've been working on this for, I don't know, 20 minutes or so, and just figured I'd shoot that because, wow, it's so nasty over there, and so nice and clean on the other side. I love it. Love doing them half and half there to give a good comparison. This is gonna be a cute little machine. I've got a bunch of these in right now that gonna be working up and getting cleaned and sending off the platens to get fresh platen rubber, and I might have to do the feed roller on them. I don't know. I'm probably gonna have about half a dozen of these I'm going to sell off, so if you want one, keep your eye out on the channel, and I'll post them up when they're done. Anyway, thought y'all might get a giggle out of that, because damn, that's quite a difference. So that's a little Royal OT, which is, let's see, 353409, so that's going to be 1933, probably. That might be. I think 34, 30, I want to say 36 is the break-even line for 33 to 34 on these. Whatever, it's 1933, I think. Anyway, Royal OT. Fun little machines with half a clean segment.